Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock. This one you can see today is up by 22.4%. We're going to be speaking about this and I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. But as always, do remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now again, you can see the stock is absolutely moving in the right direction, but into the week ahead we do have a number of questions to ask. My first is actually going to be upcoming, possibly into tomorrow's trading session, and that is going to be whether we can actually break above numbers such as the 990 range. We appear to be having a bit of resistance at the 985 range. We saw this Wednesday of last week, and over the course of today's trading we just weren't able to get above that number. Again, 970, 971. If you can break this and break above to that number, my question is, do we push 990? If you can, the next levels to the upside that you could be seeing could be a bit higher. You could be looking somewhere in the $10 range, 10.15, 10.25, maybe even up to 10.50 if you can push above these initial levels of resistance. From there is 10.70. From there, guys, it is on to $11, I think, and beyond. However, again, this very much depends on whether this can hold. Now, despite the major rally that we have seen, the RSI here on the relatively short time frame, the past month, is not that high. It's not that high at all. Actually, we've been in the oversold briefly over, I believe, Friday's trading. And again, today, we are seeing this one climb a little bit, but we're still very, very low. So there could be a lot to potentially play for. Again, you zoom out to the 1 month, you can see here the RSI slightly higher on this time frame, but not into the overbought yet. So again, my question is, do we come up with some weakness around this point, or do we actually see this one come down a little bit? If you are to see that drop, my main level of support that I'm looking for is going to be around the 880s. If you see a drop below that, it's going to be down to 840. And if you drop below that, it could be all the way down to 760s. I'm paying a lot of attention here. It's been a very good day. It's just going to be about seeing whether we actually see this one, of course, break to the upside, which is what we are all hoping for. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.